Hey photographers, Loretta Houston here, and today we're diving into the magic of color theory and how it can completely transform your photography. Whether you're shooting fashion, portraits, or landscapes, understanding color can take your work from good to jaw-dropping. Stick around because we're about to unlock the secrets of using color like a pro. First, let's get into the basics. Color theory is the science and art of using color. It's about understanding how colors interact, how they evoke emotions, and how they create balance. The color wheel is your best friend here. You've got your primary colors, red, yellow, and blue, and everything else is born. Know your complementary colors. These are opposites on the color wheel, like blue, orange, red, and green. Using them creates a vibrant contrast that pops. Then there are the analogous colors, which are neighbors on the wheel. They're perfect for a more harmonious and soft look. Colors tell stories. They make people feel something. Warm colors like red, orange, and yellow bring energy and passion. Cool colors like blue and green bring calm and serenity. When you understand the emotional languages, you can direct your viewers' feelings. It's like creating a soundtrack for their eyes. Now let's talk practical tips. Start with your subject. What's the mood or story you're trying to convey? Then build your palette. For example, if you're shooting a portrait, think about wardrobe and background colors. A bold red dress against a neutral gray wall, that's drama. Or maybe a soft pastel tone for an ethereal vibe. You can also use lighting to add colors. Gels are a game changer for creating mood. And don't forget post-processing tools like Lightroom or Photoshop let you fine-tune colors to perfection. A quick word of caution. Overdoing it can hurt your images. Watch out for oversaturation or using too many conflicting colors. Sometimes less is more. Aim for balance and attention. Now, it's your turn. I challenge you to create a photo using complementary or analogous colors. Share it on Instagram and tag me at Loretta Houston. I'll feature some of them on my story. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips and tricks to level up your photography. And don't forget to share your work with me. Let's keep creating, pushing the boundaries together. Until next time, happy shooting.